Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you guys how to download WhatsApp on your Android phone step by step. The first thing you need to do is open up Google Play Store. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just look for the colorful triangle icon that says Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. You should see WhatsApp Messenger pop up as the first result. Make sure it's by WhatsApp LLC. Now go ahead and tap on Install. When the download is complete, hit Open to start WhatsApp. Choose your language to start. WhatsApp will ask you for permissions to access your contacts, photos and media. Just hit Allow so you can use all of these features. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number to verify your account. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up WhatsApp on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.